How to enable VoLTE on any of the Android device. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process to enable that feature. So let's just dive right in and get started. So the first thing you need to ensure is that your phone is up to date. So you can go to your settings and scroll down and go for software update or system update and tap on it. And if any kind of pending updates is available, you can just go ahead and update the phone to the latest software. Apart from that, what you can do is on some phones, you might need to look out for configuration update or similar option in your notification shade after a system update. You can do so as well. Now, once that is done, you need to go over to the section for connections and tap on it. The settings may vary depending upon the device, but usually you can find it under mobile network or connections, something like that, internet. So you can tap on it. And once you tap on it, here will be finding option called VoLTE for SIM. So right now I only have one SIM, so I have this VoLTE calls for SIM 1 with the toggle option with it. So you just need to turn on this toggle option right here and tap on it. You can turn it on, and that is how you basically turn it on. Apart from that, you can even contact your carrier to activate the VoLTE on your SIM and provision your account. That is also possible, but usually this is how you do it. You can follow up this process and you should be able to enable the VoLTE on any of your Android phones. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.